Friends, I have this iPhone with me today and it has become available. Friends, you can see it. If friends, Akwoye, you have any model of iPhone and any of your iPhones has become available like this, or if any of your iPhones has become permanently available and you are unable to unlock your iPhone, then friends, in today's video, the method I am going to tell you. Friends, with the help of that method, you can unlock your iPhone from iPhone 7 up to iPhone 17 Pro Max, whether it is unavailable or security locked, without a personal computer, laptop, Apple ID password, or any tool, completely for free. What you need to do and how to do it, I will explain everything step by step in this video. They just watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. So friends, what you need to do is this. If you have any iPhone model and your iPhone has become unavailable like this, or if your iPhone has become permanently unavailable and you are unable to unlock your iPhone, then what you need to do is click on emergency. And if you like this video, then be sure to like this video. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then do subscribe to the channel because I keep bringing good videos related to phone unlocking. So do subscribe to the channel. So friends, after clicking on emergency, you have star H 0 1 1 star 3 5 H 0 9 star 2 0 7 H star. Okay, friends, I will show you this code clearly and tell you that you need to dial star hash 011 star 35 hash 09 star 26207 hash star. And friends, after dialing this code, you need to click on it. No friends, you need to dial one more code. So keep watching the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. So you need star hash 0 0 6 3 9 4 star star 3 6 9 1 0 H star. So friends, you have to dial this last code. Okay, I will show you this code clearly and tell you that you need to dial star hash 0 006 319 4 double star 36910 hash star. And friends, after dialing this code, you have to click on it. Now friends, ijoit ki you akaru choste nigir to hold down the power key and the volume down button together. The power key and the volume down. So friends, watch the video carefully. Do not skip any part of the video. You need to hold both these buttons together for 20 seconds. So friends, I will move the phone to the side a little. You need to hold both these buttons down together. Friends, you need to hold both these buttons together for 20 seconds. So keep watching the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. So friends, keep watching the video carefully and do not skip the video at all. So friends, you can see here that our phone is automatically resetting. If your phone does not reset automatically within 20 seconds, you need to hold down the power key and volume down button together for 1 minute. Okay, so when the phone resets, it takes some time to turn on. So I will speed up the video here. Watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. Friends, you can see here that the problem in our phone has been solved. Take a look. So if you like this video, then like this video, share it as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, and do let us know in the comments how you liked our video.